So we see that attorneys representing the defendants in the election interference case brought by Fani Willis, which of course includes former President Trump, but also a number of other defendants as well that were part of his team and his campaign effort, has been brought before Scott McAfee. And there are a number of arguments that they raised to support their contention that the case should be dismissed. Two of the ones that I found interesting were one which was based on the First Amendment, which was saying that everything that President Trump said regarding the election, what the DA is classifying as election interference, are protected by his First Amendment rights, free speech rights. And the second one was regarding whether it was actually appropriate for DA Fani Willis to bring charges against him. Because apparently there's a body in Georgia which oversees elections, and any such charges that come from what is described as election interference needs to be brought by that body. And they would basically make a recommendation to the district attorney to bring charges based on what they consider to be election interference. Now, what are my predictions? I think that from what we've seen of Scott McAfee, and it's something that a lot of lawyers that I've listened to have said about a characteristic of judges in general, is that they will basically look for any excuse they can to avoid upsetting the apple cart. So the state, of course, presented their arguments as to why this case should not be dismissed. And it seems clear that as long as they can present any kind of reasonable sounding argument, whether it actually stands up to detailed scrutiny or not, that the judge is just going to take the easy way out and not dismiss the case. I could be wrong about that, but I highly doubt it. It would be a great surprise to me if Scott McAfee did anything that would be seen as disruptive, and it really would take strong backbone for him to do that, and it really doesn't look like he has that in him. So that's my view. Let me know what yours are in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.